Hey guys, in this video we picked the top 5 best miter saw on the market. We made this list based on our personal opinion, and we ranked them in no particular order after we did our research based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and more. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Metabo HPDC 10 FCGS 10-inch miter saw. If you only expect to need a miter saw occasionally, or for one big project redoing flooring, making a piece of furniture, or cutting trim, there's no need to spend a lot of money on your miter saw. Instead, consider the Metabo HPT, that's the new name for Hitachi C10 FCGS 10-inch compound miter saw. While there's no sliding rails for cutting wider materials, the maximum width is 5 and 21/32 inches, nor a laser for extra guidance. You do get a saw with a 15-amp motor, a no-load top speed of 5,000 RPM, a bevel range of 0 to 45 degrees to the left, and a miter range of 0 to 52 degrees to the left or right. That's pretty much all you need to tackle most DIY projects around your home or workshop. The miter saw includes a dust bag, 10-inch 24-tooth saw blade, and vise assembly. The smaller size and lighter weight of the Metabo C10 FCGS will be a blessing that you'll appreciate, even though it's smaller and cheaper than a lot of the competition. The 5-year warranty should provide peace of mind. For us, it all adds up to the best miter saw for the money. Pros: reasonable price, good for basic DIY projects, powerful 15-amp motor, lightweight and portable. Cons: only tilts to the left for bevels. Number 2, DEWALT 12-inch miter saw 15-amp single bevel. For around the home trimming and cross-cutting, the DEWALT 12-inch single compound miter saw has all the power and precision necessary without a large price tag. It cuts boards up to 8 inches wide and cuts bevels in one direction. It comes with a slide-out fence that extends to help support the board being cut. For safety, the DEWALT saw also features a mechanism that automatically locks the spring arm in the down position unless it's manually unlocked with a button on the back. Testing revealed few bells or whistles, as DEWALT chose to focus on accuracy and power, of which it has plenty. Over features, we like how light this saw is, especially compared to the much heavier sliders. The hold-down arm used to lock wood in places awkward, and the single bevel does limit this saw's capability, but the locking detents for the blade angle are some of the best in the test. The quality of the saw definitely exceeds the price. DEWALT covers their tools with a 3-year warranty, which isn't the best in the industry, but it's far better than nothing. Pros: sliding fence, dust collection port, clamps for holding material, very sturdily built. Cons: no laser guide or light. Number 3, BOSCH GCM12SD corded dual-bevel miter saw. The BOSCH Power Tools GCM12SD 12-inch miter saw comes with a sliding arm that allows the user to cut boards up to 14 inches wide. The saw comes with pull-out material supports on both sides to stabilize boards up to 40 inches long, and it cuts compound bevels in both directions. The clear saw guard on the BOSCH miter saw is designed not to obstruct the user's view of the cut throughout the entire process. The trigger handle features an ergonomic grip that can be used by either right-handed or left-handed users just as comfortably, and it features a padded non-slip grip. Fences are adjustable, and the miter scale numbers are etched into stainless steel for durability. During testing, we found that the BOSCH saw truly does belong at the top of this list. First, it has a zero-clearance slide arm that can sit up against a wall if necessary. The arm is also super smooth for making accurate cuts. The dust collection was outstanding, and the motor is super powerful. The only qualms anyone might find with this saw is that it's a little heavy for carrying around the shop, and there aren't any lasers or lights. Pros: smooth zero-clearance arm, powerful motor, dust collection system, see-through safety guard. Cons: no light or laser. Number 4, DEWALT 12-inch double bevel miter saw. Known for tough, dependable power tools, DEWALT sliding miter saw checks every box. It's got enough power to cut through the toughest timber without faltering, and its solid sliding rails deliver extra smooth cuts. With category-leading crosscut capacity, thanks to an innovative fence design, it's tall enough to let you tip large workpieces on edge for specialized cuts. It also features a wider miter range than the competition, with miter and bevel angles that are easy to adjust and hold their settings. Dust collection is very good with a vac attached. Although pricey, this saw is a bargain for pros and serious DIYers. I posted about the DEWALT DW716 XPS 12 meter recently in a deal post, and it is also on my current tool and equipment wishlist. Upon seeing this saw being described as discontinued, I reached out to DEWALT, asking for more information about the product update and changes. The new DEWALT DWS716 XPS 12 miter saw is almost identical to the DW716XBS, but there are some small changes: pros, power, accuracy, cut quality, LED cut alignment system, upgraded dust collection. Cons, relatively heavy. Number 5, Skil MS6305-00 10-inch dual bevel miter saw. If you want a very affordable and solid dual bevel sliding compound miter saw from a well-respected tool brand, one of the best ones I'll recommend is this Skil MS6305-00. This is a compound miter saw with a 10-inch blade, dual bevel that will allow you to make all the different types of crosscuts you'd like to make on the job site or even in your workshop. Equipped with a 15-amp motor, the 10-inch blade connected to it spins at 4,800 RPM at no load speed, allowing you to make every cut with great precision and accuracy. It's almost impossible to believe, but this cheap Skil 10-inch miter saw also comes in LED shadow line blade positioning system similar to DEWALT's XPS system that casts a shadow of the blade's kerf on the cut line, allowing you to see where the blade will cut through when you pull it down. The Skil MS6305-00 can be used to make bevel cuts to both directions up to 50 degrees, and can be used to cut 2x12s at 90 degrees and 2x8s at 45 degrees, 11 positive miter detents at 0, 15, 22, 5, 31, 6, and 45 degrees respectively. Both left and right makes it easier to adjust and use the saw for a variety of applications such as crown moldings and trim installation.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.